This video is on the MRS system and what happens if you lose your pulley. The hack I'm going to show you, you'll still be able to climb with it. So here's the moving rope system, and it's a simple system where you have two carabiners, either an eye or a termination knot here, and then you have your friction cord connected to a pulley and a carabiner. It's a very nice system and a lot of people use it. What's really good about it is the way it tends. So you put a little pressure here and that pulley pushes up your knot, and it helps tend it really nice. And when you descend, so when you're body thrusting, it's the same kind of thing. You'll pull and then you'll tend from here. It's really nice to use. But sometimes you get out to a job, you're in between trees, and not everybody carries two pulleys. So then what happens is, if you drop your pulley and it goes into the ground and there's underbrush, you can't find your pulley. Some guys are going to be sunk and they won't be able to, because what happens if you don't have the pulley, it doesn't tend very well when you decide to body thrust. So some guys might go back to like a Blake's hitch, where they tie the rope to one carabiner and then they tie the Blake's hitch, and now you try to body thrust. It's a lot harder to move around in the tree and to ascend. So what I'm going to show you next is how to set it up without a pulley. So you don't have your pulley, so you just connect your carabiner. And now, once you got it connected, you connect it to your belt. And now you're going to try to body thrust up the tree. This doesn't really work that great. And some hitches, it's really not very good at tending. You don't really get a good climb out of that. So that's what would happen if you didn't have a pulley. There's another way to set this up where you can actually use your carabiner as your pulley. So that's the way if you didn't have a pulley and just connected it in that way. But if you get your carabiner, you put it through one eye, you put your running end inside the carabiner, and then put it through the other eye. Now you rotate it, and now your carabiner is in a good position. All you got to do is connect, and now when you tend, this carabiner acts as a pulley. So it's not a really super smooth thing, but if you lost your pulley, now you'll be able to tend. So what we're going to do is go up into the tree, and I'll do it. This is a Mitchell Con. I'll do it with maybe another type of pressic hitch, and we'll see how it works up in the tree. This is what it would look like if you're body thrusting. You grab your rope above your head, you pull up, and then you tend. So on every pull, then you tend. It really works pretty darn smooth. Okay, so that's if you're going to body thrust. Now, you can also, if you use ascenders, you can also put your ascender in, your foot ascender. Just install that and pump your foot, and it also will ascend upward with your foot ascender. And then when you want to come back down, just pull your line. So without the pulley, you'll still be able to descend just like normal. Oops. Just like normal. And then once you get on your walk, it's the same type of thing where you can tend your line even if you're using like one hand. So it tends just like regular. It's easy motion and you can get the same result. So this is a Mitchell Con with a 24-inch cord. So what I'll try to do, Mitchell Con moves really easy. I'll set it up next on a 30-inch cord, and I'll use a Swayish to see if it tends just as easy. Now I have a 5-rep Swayish. Now for me, a Swayish has always been like a sticky knot. It always gets caught up on me, and this is a 30 cord, so I put 5 wraps. Let's see how well it works on the tending. So let me back out a little bit. Let's see here. Oh, yeah. All right. So now I'm going to tend with one hand walking in. See how good it works. Just as easily as if you had a pulley. So that carabiner really does act in the way a pulley does. So I'll do a little bit of a body thrust right here with the Swayish to see how it tends. And yeah, just as smooth as if I had a pulley on. Well, there you go. A super cool hack when you misplace your pulley. Well, there you have it. A super simple hack you can use if you misplace your pulley using a moving rope system. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you like what we do. And by all means, share our videos. Take care. We'll see you next time.